Oh, would you take a look at that, guys? We got the green hat on, the green hoodie, and by the way, it's kind of cold in here this morning, which is why I'm wearing the hoodie to begin with. And another reason why I'm wearing this stuff is because it is a green day again in the stock market. It is 9:40 a.m. right now on the East Coast, and we have all the indexes ripping. We have the Russell, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P. All of these are pretty much over 10% right now, and we got to break it down. We're going to go over the markets very quickly in this video. We're going to talk stocks and what I'm looking to do. So sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee, and let's just dive into the video, guys. So right now, what we're noticing on SPY is it's up over 2%, first of all. And the second thing is it is completely and utterly breaking out of the highs from last week, which is phenomenal. And now we're actually approaching that target, or not even a target, what is it, my price alert that I have at $375, which I've mentioned in the past couple of videos. If we break out of this point, which it looks like we're going to test it today at some point, we're going to get an extended relief rally. That's what I've been saying, and I'm sticking to that, guys. This looks pretty dang bullish in my opinion. We have a golden cross moving above the moving averages here on SPY. And again, we're trading at a multi-day high. We're taking the highs out from last week, which is great. And we saw yesterday, if you guys recall, yesterday we ever so slightly took the highs out from Friday, and now we're breaking the highs from obviously Friday, but Thursday, Wednesday, again, all the highs from last week. So SPY looks really good here in the very short term. And if I pull up the 20-day chart, you guys are going to see it is above the moving averages now for the first time, and I think I mentioned this yesterday, but I'll say it again, for the first time since the middle of September. So it's gearing up for a run, guys. It seems like it, right? And on the 4-hour chart, we're well above the 50 SMA. If we break 375, I think there is another 2-3% upside on SPY here to the 180 SMA, right around the 4-hour, or right around 388 here on the 4-hour chart. And you guys can see the last couple of relief rallies, well, really the last major relief rally that we saw, which was in the beginning of September, SPY got rejected right at that moving average, the 180 SMA. So I'm telling you guys, if we break 375, this is going to go up, in my humble opinion, another 2 to 3% in the short term, very, very short term. And for triple Q, if I pull this up, same thing. It's pretty much trading above the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. It's doing that clearly. And on the 10-day chart, what we're noticing here is we're above the highs from Friday, but the only difference here is between triple Q and SPY is triple Q is not quite yet above the highs from earlier last week, which were right around 278 to about 280. We're testing those highs right now, but we're not completely breaking out of them like SPY is, like we just saw a minute ago, right? So for that reason, I'm going to set my alert at 281 for triple Q here. Mark is at or above. And if it breaks that point, that's when I'm going to turn very bullish in the short term here. And I believe at that point, triple Q could start really gaining momentum, probably towards the highs from the 20th of September, being about 290, 292. That also puts it right by the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. I think that is where this could be going in the very, very short term. So bulls are coming in, guys. Bulls are putting up a fight. This is getting interesting. And we have the VIX now. Let's pull the VIX up quickly. This is under 30 points. Again, back under 30. And we can see here it is at 28.75 to be exact, down 4.5% on the day. And we have metals moving up as well. Again, silver's up another 1.7%, which now puts it up over 10% in just the past day or two. I mean, silver has been on fire. If you guys didn't catch it yesterday, it went up, I think, 9%, which is unbelievable. It's fully breaking out now, and today it's up another 2%. It's about to break 21 an ounce, which I've said before. If that does happen, we get a clear-cut break out of there, this is going to start moving really quickly, in my opinion, towards the mid-20s. That's what I've been saying, and I'm sticking to it. And it looks like the trend is really starting to reverse. We have gold up another 0.9% today. Do I have my phone on me? Because I can check crypto very quickly, guys, because we're not going to cover the crypto charts in this video, but I can give you all a quick little glance at what we're looking at here. Bitcoin, oh yeah, Bitcoin's back over 20. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. You probably can't. It's not even pulling up on my phone. But Bitcoin is over 20,000, and we have Ethereum up over 1350, and they're both up about 5% here in the past 24 hours. So very nice green day in the stock market today, guys, in the crypto market so far, in the metals market. Let's see, is oil up on the day? Maybe. Yes, it is, guys. Oil is up 3%. Now it's pushing up towards 86 a barrel. 90 could be next, which I said if 90 breaks on oil to the upside, that is where this could really start seeing some momentum, bullish momentum. We're not there yet, but my alert's at 90. We'll see in the short term if that ends up breaking. So what a day so far. What a day so far. And we're only 15 minutes in, so keep that in mind. Anything can change here over the course of the day, but bulls are on fire right now, and we have a lot of stocks moving as expected. Shopify's up on the day over 8%. Let's run through my watch list quickly, guys. This is up over 8% on the day, looking like it's seeing a nice relief rally off that $26 low, which was just hit a couple of trading days ago. So we just hit a fresh low. Now we're starting to run back up towards that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart here at about 30, 31, 32 bucks. That's where it seems like this is going to be going in the short term. And at that point, it's going to be faced with some selling pressure. But if Shopify could get out of 32, 33 bucks, we might have a short-term relief rally or a more extended relief rally on our hands with Shopify. And really, it all depends on the overall markets, guys. Of course, going back to what I said, if SPY starts getting out of, let's say, 385, 390, if Triple Q starts breaking out of something like, 285, 290, that is where we could start getting an even bigger rally on, a lot of these individual stocks, right? So, yeah, I mean, Shopify's moving, Coinbase is moving, DraftKings, CCL, a lot of these beaten down, higher growth stocks are bouncing back today. Typically, that's how things play out on, green days, right? A lot of the smaller cap, more volatile stocks, they move. So let's see what else is going up today. PayPal is up over 90 bucks a share. And if I pull this chart up, you guys can see clear resistance on PayPal at 100 bucks. We've covered it before. And if I pull up maybe the channel tool and draw this down right here, PayPal is actually about to test of resistance. A lot of these are testing resistances right now, guys. A lot of these stocks. PayPal is right about 91 to 93 an ounce. I was going to say an ounce. Why am I saying an ounce? A share. That's what I meant, because we were just talking about the metals. My mind is still on the metals, guys, clearly. PayPal, if it breaks 93 a share, we might be going straight breaking out to 100. We might have a 5, 6, 7% up move towards 100, 102 a share. That's what I could see happening here. That's in the cards, in my opinion. Let's see what else is moving. We have Snowflake up 5%. And oh, look at this. I'm glad we got this one. Snowflake looks pretty good right here. Let me show you all. We're holding a higher low, clearly. Higher lows, multiple of them. You guys can see we got one there, 2, 3, 4, and with today's 5% green day so far for Snowflake, it is breaking out of both moving averages. And to be honest, we got an ascending triangle here. This might be making a move towards the top. We might be going towards 195, 200 if these markets hold the green that they're seeing right now. So that is Snowflake. You guys got to watch it. Ticker symbol SNOW. What else do we have moving? AMC. I don't want to talk about that. GameStop. And we have no red stocks on my watch list today. That's probably the first time I've said that in a long time. Look at this. If I move my face, you guys can see there's no red stocks on there. They're all green. Unfreaking believable. So what else is moving? Let me see. We're about 9 minutes in, so we might as well slowly start wrapping the video up. We have Meta over 140. Google's probably over 100. Yeah, Google's over 100. Nvidia 130. Yeah, look at that, guys. I bought Nvidia on Friday at 121. Look how fast the stock moves. It's at 130 now. And I'm not averaging up. That's the thing. And I'll be honest, who knows if I'll ever be able to buy more Nvidia again under 120. I might be. We don't know what's going to happen exactly in the future, but if this rally lasts for a couple of days, maybe a week or two, who knows, we could be going back to 140.50 on Nvidia. And then from there, it's going to have to fall again another 30% for it to get back to, where I want to buy more of it. So the stock market is an interesting place, guys. And you always got to realize that stocks, they might start running away from you in the short term at least. But if you're patient, they might come back to your buying price, which is exactly what happened with Nvidia, actually. If you guys remember, I was looking to buy it back in June, July, as it was starting to get beaten down towards the lower hundreds, but then it hit 140, it kissed 140, and then it ran all the way to 200 again. But I was patient, and then it went all the way to 119. Now, who knows? I bought at 121. I'm thinking, it might not go under 120 again, but it might run to 145.50. It might get rejected by that 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame. And lo and behold, it could be back to $100, maybe under 100 again, maybe in a month, 2 months time from now. That's how things work, especially in a bear market. So with that being said, on that note, we're going to wrap the video up. We're going to keep it nice, short, sweet, and simple this morning. If you all enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys want some free money, you get 15 stocks. You can get 15 stocks, each up to $2,000 with a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo to get those stocks. And you could also get 12 additional stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. Those are linked down below, or you can go to stocksurfs.com/Webull. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Good luck today. Peace out.